Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a book in Notion. We're going to set up a clean, comfortable workspace that helps you focus on words, not on clutter. These simple tweaks will make your writing screen feel more like a dedicated studio and less like a generic note-taking page. By the end, you'll have a layout that gives you room to breathe. A text style that matches your voice and visuals that keep your book's theme front and center while you work. First, give yourself space to write by expanding the canvas. Look to the top right corner of your Notion page and click the three dots. In the menu that opens, toggle on full width. Instantly your page stretches from edge to edge, which means fewer distracting line breaks and more words on each line. This is especially helpful for long-form writing because it reduces scrolling and keeps paragraphs together. If you are drafting scenes, building chapters, or reviewing research tucked beneath toggles, that extra horizontal room makes everything feel less cramped. If you ever prefer a narrower column for editing, you can toggle it off again just as easily. Next, choose a type style that supports the tone of your book. In the same menu, you'll see typography options: default, serif, and mono. Default is a clean, modern sans serif that works well for most projects and reads smoothly on screens. Serif has that classic, bookish feel, perfect if you are aiming for a literary vibe or want your draft to resemble a printed page. Mono spaces each character evenly, which can be great for tightly structured drafting, quick markup, or dialogues where alignment helps you scan. Try each one for a few sentences and notice how it affects your reading rhythm. Here is no right answer here. Pick the style that makes you want to keep writing. Finally, add visual inspiration with a cover image and an icon that reflect your book's theme. Click to add or change the cover. Then choose from Notion's gallery or upload your own image. Think mood, setting, or color palette that matches your story or topic. A misty forest for a mystery, a bold geometric pattern for a business book, or a simple, calming gradient for focus. Add an icon too, a small symbol or emoji that captures the essence of your project. These visuals do more than decorate. They help your brain switch into book mode every time you open the page and make the project easy to spot in your sidebar. With full width for breathing room, the right typography for flow, and inspiring visuals for consistency, your Notion page becomes a dedicated writing space you'll want to return to every day. Now, settle in and start drafting. Your book has a home. Thanks for watching.